Damn, I see the flash over there somewhere. I might have caught that cam. Is that a tornado? Hold on a second. What is this? Oh shit. Don't want you to know if I'm bugging, but that could be hospital tornado over there. See that dark line over there? It could be just monster wing. I don't know. There looks like another one here. I might be bugging instead of not tornadoes, but Jesus, it's getting dark, dude. Sorry for not talking at the beginning of this video. I'm just wearing this dark cloud. Like, look at this, dude. Yeah, it's definitely raining over there. You can tell. Right there. Jesus. Yeah, we're knocking Jip this time. Hopefully not. Yes, look at this. Look at that plane over there. It's gonna head towards us any second. Like, it's getting dark too. Holy fuck. Yeah, we definitely getting severe thunderstorms, so keep people motorcycles and shit. They're just driving home right now because of this shit. God, dude. Should I keep recording and I will start time lapse in a second so I get back. Never mind, guys. I just caught that lightning. Well, I could have caught that lightning bolt with camera though, but it struck right there somewhere. Holy fuck! Look how dark it is over there. Look over there, dude. Shit. Dude, we're getting a good thunderstorm this time, yo. Fuck. You like this shit this time. Well, let me go ahead and film and get the shit on camera because I couldn't believe I legit seen that. Not on camera though, but unfortunately. Yeah, I forgot my intro. What's up, guys? The Water Vlog. Not the Water. The Water back with another video. And, I like those fools running in the streets. They're out of here. Shit. Look at these fools over there. Out of here because of this. Yeah, someone's winning too. That's why they're probably running, but holy shit, dude. God. Damn, look how dark it is over there. And lighter over there. Jesus, dude. It looks lighter on camera though, but for my eyes it looks darker. Holy shit. Yeah, like, you know, I forgot back from Motecting like an hour and a half ago before this shit starts. Yeah, it's starting to get windy too. Yeah, I caught that over there somewhere. Yep. Dude, I was done some guys. Like, shit, sorry I'm shirtless, but sorry. Damn. Jesus. Have y'all. Look. The wind's also picking up. Jesus. They're starting on camera, but it's darker in my eyes. Jesus. Let's get this on camera though. It doesn't have lightning and shit.
Oh,
I caught that.
I didn't see it.
I caught it.
I caught like the flashlight. Of course,